The fish are playing. Love bugs like fiberglass. Store find for $2.99. All tools are the best tools. Oh, shoot, look at this. You can carry them all together. The starboard engine seemed to be getting hot when it was running, so I'm checking the thermostats. I didn't even see it while I was in the boat. There's buildup. Alright, so this thermostat was supposedly changed. Oh my god. Less than 5 months ago. I think I have my suspicions. Are you serious right now? That one was so bad. Now I'm checking thermostat number 2. I'm checking the thermostat on the second engine. Oh, no. It was not changed. Oh my goodness. What did they do with the thermostats? At least this one's not stuck closed. Where's the gasket? Oh, it's just ate up. Okay. Jeez. Okay, so, no. Wow. The same with this one. It was supposed to be changed like 5, maybe 6 months ago. To me, it doesn't look like it. I really don't think so. Okay, I got my 2 new thermostats, so I can change out the old ones. I was told I should maybe ground both engines together at the negative terminal in case there was some kind of current that was eating up one more than the other. So I'm making my grounding wires. I'm replacing the thermostats. I'm working on the fiberglass cutout I made. I think I'll add a hatch once it's all complete. I'm tracing out the baseboard for my fiberglass. This is going to close in the last little corner of my fiberglass cutout. I'm going to let it set for a day. prepping the head floor for primer. I'm planning on painting it. Finally cutting out or sawing out my replacement upper bulkheads. I always have such a nice view. Now that it's set, let's see if it fits. Oh, that's freaking perfect. Are you kidding me? Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Look what I did. Perfect. Now we're priming the head floor. I'm also starting to prime the walls I took out when I put it back. I know I'm painting over the teak, but it was pretty worn out, and I want it to be bright in there. It took about 3 coats. This is the second wall panel I have to paint. I'm getting rid of the screws and nails and Velcro patches. I don't know why those are there. Taking a break, enjoying the scene. Back to work. And that's it for this week. See you next time.